trade down to 20s, 10 ticks profit, and as I said, stops easily at break even. Why are we so aggressive with the stops? Because short-term value is bullish, so why would we want to be a little bit weaker on the stops? Doesn't make any sense. Looking at the crack spread skews, we are building a lot of good macro value. Short term, we haven't got any value. So we've got to play this. We've got to make sure we understand this concept of macro and micro and play it as we see it. Play it against the trades, play it against the leans, play it against the narratives. So I've taken another little bit of short business there, and I'm getting another stop in at break even. This time I paid 71.44s for some short business there. It's just traded 40s, and I've taken some 4-tick profits out of that trade. And I've got enough room to get a stop in at break even to leave it to develop if it's going to, and if it doesn't, we'll go higher still and we'll do it all over again. So I've just sold another little bit of oil there. And we just got that little level 2 there, so I sold another opportunity to get some business done just up there, got the price I wanted, and we've taken our second sell trade, and it's dropped off really nicely. And there she goes, nice trade, nice trade. Second trade, second top edge, second profit. Second profit, guys. There she goes. Isn't that special, guys? Is that not a little bit of specialness? I think so. Why are we very passive? Well, because it's a macro trade. It's not a micro trade because this is declining here as much as this is declining here. So it's not a micro trade. If it's not a micro trade, what is it? Well, it's got to be a macro trade. There's the macro trade there. So we need to make sure we get that higher print price. Otherwise, it's not any trade whatsoever. So we've got to make sure we get that top tick price. Otherwise, it's stupid. Where's the top tick price? Well, the top tick price must be at a price of 43 or higher. So if you pay 40 for this trade, it's a bad trade. If you pay 39 for this trade, it's a bad trade. If you pay 35 for this trade, it's a bad trade. If you pay 43, 44, or 45, it's a good trade. That's what you've got to try and achieve, isn't it? You've got to make sure you get those macro prices if you're going to trade in the world of professionals. If you want to trade in the world of retail, pay whatever you like, but you're not going to make any money. That's why we don't lose money, guys. That's why we don't lose money, because even in a trade here that doesn't go for us, we still make profits. That's why we make profits, because we're in at the right price in these stories. And that's all we're trying to make sure we capture, is the right story. Crazy, 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 crazy. It's been good, crazy good actually. Let's see if Max has decided to do